Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video I'm going to talk about the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, finally the Realme GT Neo 2 has been launched in China, and I'll try to explain what is the price range of the 6GB and 8GB 12GB RAM variants and what are the final specifications about the Realme GT Neo 2. That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video, and in the end of the video I'll try to conclude what will be the perfect price for this Realme GT Neo 2 to get very successful right now in the Indian market. So let's begin with the first about the design and what are the type of colors it's available in this Realme GT Neo 2. So there are three different colors which are available right now. So there's a black color, and there's another new color, and there's a green color. As you can see, these are the three different models you can actually get right now for the Realme GT Neo 2. And we are not sure exactly when the phone will be getting released in India, but at this moment it's available in China. I think the pre-order will start from 27th of September, and you can see the designs. Three different colors right now we do have in this Realme GT Neo 2. So next thing is about the processor. The processor, we do know that Realme GT Neo 2 has got Snapdragon 870 chipset, and with the UFS storage 3.1 and LPDDR5 RAM type, which we'll be seeing in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. That's the confirmation which you can definitely have. Before only we got the confirmation. And in this display we'll be seeing about 6.62 inches of screen size and 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus 1300 nits of brightness, and which has got 600Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, 600Hz is a slightly kind of upgrade, so that's kind of good thing friends. Instead of having the similar specifications, there's some kind of upgrade which you can actually see in the display segment. That's perfect. And regarding the processor as well, there is new type of heating thermals is managing in this Realme GT Neo 2, which is a diamond coated some small particles, so to maintain the very low temperatures. That's what the Realme they did use in this device, and this is the first phone I think Realme GT to be having this kind of diamond coated particles for the thermal cooling. That's what I'm really interested in this device about this one, how the thermals will be managed in this phone. That's the part about the display and the processor. And next is about the camera. So camera is pretty basic, there's nothing much. So which is of 64 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens. And there's no 8K recording at this stage, so there's only 4K and 30 and 60 FPS. So there's nothing much specialties going on regarding the camera in this phone. So there will be a stereo speakers, but there won't be any kind of 3.5mm jack in the Realme GT Neo 2. That kind of another let down little bit. 3.5mm jack, if the phone has got, that would be really great, but we cannot see any kind of 3.5mm jack at this moment. And next we do have the under display fingerprint scanner, that's optical sensor, and 5000 mAh of battery, and with 65 watt of fast charging, which can charge within 36 minutes of time. 65 watts in 36 minutes and 5000 mAh of battery. That's kind of really good thing to know in this Realme GT Neo 2. And finally, when it comes to the price, so its price is about close to I think 28,500 rupees. That's what the base variant 6GB RAM variant can be there, and the 8GB RAM variant in the China it launched for about 30,700, and about the 12GB RAM variant it launched about 34,000. So friends, these are the complete details about the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the price range and everything. So maybe if in India, if the Realme GT Neo 2 getting launched, so I wish the price of this phone could be around close to 30,000. That could be a very good deal to buy this Realme GT Neo 2, which is very much attractive price as well. I could definitely say that, but I'm thinking maybe the Realme may plan to bring the price kind of close to 32,000 kind of range, 32,999 somewhere around that. That is what my expectations are at this moment. Even though they keep that kind of price, if they give any kind of bank discount offers, that will be a really great deal for the Realme GT Neo 2, as in launch offer, maybe 2,000 instant discount, something like that. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on the specifications of the Realme GT Neo 2 and the price details. Hopefully we may see slightly kind of higher price than the China, obviously for the import and export everything. So these are complete details about the Realme GT Neo 2, and stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.